Hey, what's up, everybody? Football fans around the world, get ready for a big game between Real Madrid and Guildford Raindrops. The Estadio Bernabeu. Let's join Mark Tyler.
Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler, and this is the Bernabeu Stadium. With Real Madrid, the rivalry with Barcelona, it sort of dwarfs a lot of what else goes on in Spain.
Well, it does, though. Obviously, the two biggest teams that are more often than not vying for La Liga title. So we've had some really good duels over recent years, and a bit of spite, a bit of needle involved in them as well.
Asher Zurheider is today's referee.
Well, I gotta admit, this is a very important game for both teams. And, Guildford's coming into this game out of England. They're looking to get up in the standings. They're 12th in the standings. Real Madrid's right up the top of the league. Led by Cristiano Ronaldo, Gareth Bale, Toni Kroos, Modric, and Casillas in that. So it's going to be an interesting game. I think that's a pretty good manager managing his team. So we'll see what happens.
Should be a tremendous game, and here we go. Goalkeeper opting to hang on. He hangs on well. Away dugout. Great opportunity. Well, he's cleared it away well. He takes the shot. Great effort from Ronaldo. Matched by the keeper. Corner for Real Madrid. Cross coming in now. Trying to find Bale. That's the defender's ball every day of the week. Easy, really. Gareth Bale. Here come Real Madrid. He's got to score. Got to be a real tough piece of work for the goalkeeper from such a powerful shot, but he made sure that the net wasn't required behind him. Toni Kroos. Goal news involving BC Place, Alan McInally.
It's a goal from Monaco.
Oh! Well, he had a try with his weaker foot. Sometimes you just have a swing, and if you connect sweetly, you get a spectacular goal that surprises you as much as the opposition.
Yeah, and when you don't connect sweetly, it looks a little bit embarrassing, and it did out there.
So Alan McInally was trying to bring us news about Monaco, and he did not quite define it, I don't think, but Monaco have scored in that game. It's a goal for Monaco that Alan was trying to tell us about. The score is now 1-0. He's coming forward with some danger, and it will go into the middle now. Well, he's gone in with the header, and it's just wide.
And he's gone for the corner, and he's not missed it by much, but wasted opportunity.
News of a goal from elsewhere, Alan McInally.
It's a goal for Chelsea. 12 minutes played, 1-0.
Thank you very much, Alan. Well, he has a go. It's a corner. Gomez, full on the frame of the goal. It was a goal for Chelsea. We were hearing from Alan McInally earlier. The score is now 1-0. Looking to widen the play, really, widen the build-up, but the ball just runs straight out over the touchline. Modric. News of a goal from elsewhere, Alan McInally.
It's a goal for the home team. 16 minutes played, 1-0.
Cheers, Alan. Gareth Bale. That's it, what a chance here. Got to be. Just as well someone got in the way of that. Here's a shot now. What the referee has made of this, and that's a sending off. Red card dismissed. No chance really of avoiding that punishment.
Well, he's given his teammates a hill to climb there. That's a silly challenge.
frightened of shooting from there, and it would have been a goal but for the keeper.
Yeah, it had a bit of whip and a bit of bend on it, so he had to keep his eye on it.
We're hearing there's a penalty. Alan McInally.
It's a penalty for Arsenal. He's put the ball down on the spot. Up he steps. Straight down the middle, power. Great goal. 20 minutes played, 1-0.
Thanks, Alan. They've gone and won it, Real Madrid. He got really tight, the defender there, and snuffed out the problem. Wilson. Modric. It's a poor throw and well intercepted. He committed himself here. There wasn't much cover, but he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position. Tony Kroos. Pass, just subtle little flip pass in, really. They've wasted possession. Maybe the cross. Now across, Angel Di Maria. Cross is blocked. Return pass, and now Anderson. Good forward play from them. They've gone and won it, Real Madrid. Pepe. Real Madrid still trying to get an impact onto this game. Oh! Good try. Got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. News of a goal from elsewhere. Alan McInally.
It's the second goal for Arsenal.
Could it be? Great effort from Ronaldo, matched by the keeper. Arsenal, you heard from Alan McInally, did score in that match. The score is now 2-0.
That's been interesting. You know, Arsenal have been playing some
He
good
might go
football
for goal
late.
here.
When you look at Real Madrid, they got so much talent.
Opportunity. Goalkeeper able to make a save here. Here's a shot now. Good stop by the goalkeeper. He's held on to the ball as well. Tony Kroos. Gomez. And it's Wilson. Anderson. Great movement off the ball. Anderson. Tony Kroos. Modric. Here come Real Madrid. Bale! Now Wilson. Good control here. Quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. Goal news from Rangers.
It's a goal for Rangers. 45 minutes played.
In with a chance. And they scored, and the extra man surely played a part.
Yeah, it did. They played with intelligence to move the ball about and find the space.
And Real Madrid get the thrill of scoring right on half-time.
Well, that changes the team talk in that dressing room, doesn't it? What a conversion.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0.
Well, I gotta admit, just before halftime, they managed to score a big goal like that. Great goal for Real Madrid. The home fans are very excited. This was all about.
Trying to get possession back. Close range chance. we're looking at a Real Madrid team that had the lead, but aren't really believing. It's quite surprising, I think, that they're not pushing on from this position. Maybe they will in the second half. Attacking well here. Still in play here. And that's half-time, signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. There's one moment in this first half that has set the tongues a-wagging, and that was the sending off, Alan.
And to have it come so early in the game with so much work to do, he's given his teammates a real uphill task here.
So we reach half-time. 1-0 the score, with Real Madrid leading. Let's take a look at the highlights from the first half, and then we'll be back over to your commentary team for the rest of the match.
Yeah, it's been very interesting. We'll see what happens in the second half. I think both teams know the importance of this game. It's not going to be easy. I just think it's going to take a little bit of confidence, a little bit of belief if they're going to make a comeback, Guildford. But I really believe in them. Anything's possible. Let's join Martin Tyler and Alan Smith live from the San Diego Bernabeu Stadium in Spain. Enjoy the game.